You were spilling all your drama to a stranger at the bar. Could talk someone's ear off about your ex and their fast car.
I was laughing in the corner, thinking that's a lot to share. Then you caught me mid-eye roll, pulled me right in there.
Your smile spoke first, your words came later. One bad joke and I'm gone. See you later. But your eyes speak volumes over this cheap perfume.
Right on, we hit the floor like we've done this all before. Two loud hearts in a crowded room. When you spin me round, all my doubts leave town.
Right on, yeah, we both just knew you receive support, I receive it too. If the world tries to run off with my joy, I'll meet you where the bass gets loud.
Now we're shouting over speakers,
But I hear you crystal clear.
you say I've never had a friend.
Stick around and really cheer.
So I toss you all my secrets.
You toss these right back to me. We're off beat, kinda reckless, but it feels like destiny. Your stories blur, the room gets brighter. Every punchline lands and the grip gets tighter. Yeah, your eyes speak volumes over every tune.